guys, welcome to our podcast. And in this occasion, we gotta talk about the story what we going for the Turkey to the Central Asia in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Okay, so Kinan, how's your journey from Turkey to Central Asia from Kazakhstan to Uzbekistan? How you feel? Can you tell about the story?
It was an amazing journey. So our journey here in Kazakhstan or Uzbekistan, I'm sorry, started from Turkey, our previous country, and I personally took a direct flight from Turkey to, or specifically Istanbul, Turkey to Tashkent, Uzbekistan, a direct flight using Turkish Airlines. And so, what about you?
Well, for me, it's like a triple transfer flight because we going first class because all the solo brands include Akil as well is in the first batch we going together using bus. But there's one of fun story. One of friends is suddenly forget about the passport, so he asked permission to go back to the homestay to take. So we go to Kagithane to using train, and then we go to the Istanbul Kalipani or Istanbul airport. And after all the students, include the teacher, already coming that place, we go to the check-in, and I almost get angry by one teacher because because for the educational is quite different in the previous countries, so I must quick fast than the other country. And after all the we got check in, there's some of a unique. When I want to change from lira to som, I got rejected because they don't want to change the money for the person is under 18 years old. They all they ask the age first. And after that we go into the immigration, and then we got the using Astana Air. Astana Air, we got food, we got the amenities here, and we got the entertainment board system. And then after that, we're going to the smallest airport in Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. That's the smallest airport that I never see. And after that, we went to immigration, and after immigration, we directly check in. We have a rest of few minutes, so we must quit. And the place between we going to the departure and arrival is like quite the same because that airport is quite small. Yeah. And after that, we going to the Almaty, and then we going check the rest for a little bit before go to the Tashkent. And after we going to take a rest, we search for Musawa for praying Subuh, and then after that we wait, and that is something of fun. But again, I suddenly get asleep, and fortunately I get awake. I almost panicked that time. I got a panic, and I thought this was already fine, but it's not. It's like quite lucky that. And there's some funny part again in the plane when I was get the seat in the middle. So yeah, the one of the passengers told me to move to the side of the window because it's like quite the scandal, if me as the man in the middle and two of the woman, it's quite a scandal. And after that, we go to the Tashkent again. We did the Tashkent, and we doing immigration as well. And after all, I want to change the currency, but this time with Kaidar. Why? Because in the Turkey and in Almaty I got rejected because the age, so I want to currency exchange with Qaidar, and when they want to currency exchange, they say they don't have Turkish lira, so I can able to change.
They don't accept their
Yeah, they don't have lira. And after that, we go to the bus. We meet Mr. Elias as our tour guide maybe for each. Yeah. I think that's it. You direct flight and I'm transfer flight. And how's about the direct flight?
about the direct flight. So we left our apartment in Istanbul, Turkey, Chapa Shahrin ini at around around 7
PM.
in the evening. Yes, 7 p.m. We left the apartment to the nearest bus shuttle in front of the university in Chapel.
Yes.
Next, in front of our apartment, we waited there for the 4060 bus, which heads to Kagetkhane. Yes, that's right. And from Kagetkhane, we walked a bit to the metro station, and from there we took the metro directly to Istanbul Havalimanı or Istanbul Airport. And from there we waited the whole night because our flight is on 7 a.m. Wednesday, and we arrived there Tuesday night. So we slept there, we do everything in the airport. We waited for around half a day, no, a quarter of a day, around 6 hours, more than 6 hours. And then at around 5 a.m. we woke up, we checked in, we put our packages, we went through the immigration, everything, and then at around 6:30 we boarded the plane, and then we flew directly to Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Then we arrived at around 12 or 1 p.m. at Tashkent airport, and then we met the others, we met the Ustad, and then we went to the homestay here in Tashkent.
Okay, thank you.
Much that.
Thank you for our podcast. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching Indonesia Central. See ya.